is Lisa, and today is our weekly weigh-in results. So I am going to get this one uploaded. I film this every week and I don't actually get it uploaded because I'm a bit rubbish by the time we get home. We've literally just come out of our Slimming World group. Here we are parked outside the old fire station here in Gipton. Yeah, do you want to go first?
Well, I lost 3.5 this week, so
which brings you to in total in 6 weeks
1 stone 11 pounds.
1 stone 11 pounds in 6 weeks.
Yeah.
Phenomenal results. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Are you happy with that today? What did you think coming in? Because I know that like we've had some potatoes this week, we've had less of the burrito mix, so less of an SP
stuff,
week.
so yeah, so we've had I think a lot more mushrooms and I say baked potatoes, and the week before I didn't think we had many. I think we might have had last week had one day where we had some savoury rice or something, and one day where we had a potato, but the rest was all vegetables.
Very much.
And then this week, like I say, we've had a lot more. We've had I think a couple of days or so of potatoes, some rice, and more like I say broccoli and stuff like just in general. Not my normal just chopped up kind of burrito mix that I make with all the peppers, onions and everything, and cucumbers, onions and stuff. So
yeah, so how are you feeling about 1 stone 11 off? Like, do you feel better?
Like I say, I do feel a bit better once I'm up and about doing things. It's just, I think, like I say, just the later in the day that I just feel absolutely dreadful still, but that's just long COVID stuff, isn't it? Yeah. But I've got to say, I think in the last 6 weeks, I think your health is really improving now, because I think you really are a bit more mobile. I think your breathing's a little bit easier, but I mean that's with the CPAP machine and lots of other stuff that you're doing as well. I don't sleep very well at all at the moment as well, so I stay awake sometimes. I just cannot sleep at all. But in terms of weight loss, I know that it's going to get expensive because you had to buy some new boxer shorts already. Yeah, I bought some new socks and some new pants because his boxers were getting too baggy. So I could fit 2 people in them already. So yeah, so that's already an expense. Well, I had some that were, like I say, ones that I go to bed in or whatever, and that were like loose, and now they're too loose, extra comfy because they was really baggy to start with, and now they're just now I could get 2 people in them. So. He gets up to go for a loo and leaves his pants behind in the bed. Not quite, but almost. Nearly. So anyway, I came in this week and I've got to say I didn't think I'd had any sort of loss. I thought I might have had half a pound or a pound. I don't feel any lighter, didn't feel any different really, and I've come in with 3.5 off as well, which is phenomenal. I'm really pleased, but again it just shows there's definitely something thyroidy going on, because in the last 3 weeks I've lost what was it we've lost? I've lost 1 stone 2.5 pounds in the last 3 weeks, which is amazing. But in the first 3 weeks of being on, I put on that sort of whatever it was, 6.5 pounds I think it was, wasn't it? But yeah, so we both came in with 3.5 pounds off, which means because we both lost last week as well, we're tied for Slimmer of the Week. Hello, then you get another fruit. I got a fruit magnet, which is in the bag. But I also came in with my official half stone award because of putting on that initial weight, and then so it's all a little bit up and down at the moment. But yeah, so I'm really happy with that. I've really enjoyed the food we've been eating this week. I will put a little clip in here of all the different meals that we've had this week. I think the only one that isn't cooked from scratch was I had the barbecue chicken, and you had the chicken sarg from Aldi, the Slimwell range, which is only 1 or 1.5 sins depending on which meal it is. Does that mean so we've had those. Does that mean you're going to get your stone one next week then? I don't know, hopefully. What have I lost? You did 10. Hang on, was it 10.5 or was it 10 and then 3.5? I did, well I've done 16.5, so it means I'm on 10.5 now. So I'm on £10 now in total. Oh, you might come in with your... Yeah, so hopefully, what's that? If I do £4 this week, then I'll hit my stone award. So that's doable just. Yeah,
might have to have a
good
serious
week.
a serious go at
SP
it.
week,
But even
yeah.
if I don't,
I said, if you
then
come in
I'll
with
get
the
it the
same
week
loss like
after.
today, I said, then it's still just as good as it.
Yeah,
so.
exactly. Oh, we'll see. I'm aiming for £3. That's my mini target.
Yeah.
But as I say, I will put in here a little sort of montage of all the food we've had this week. I'll put a link up here to the shopping video that we did. We actually filmed our full weekly shop when I was unpacking it from last week, so I will put the link to the video in there as well. So do make sure you go and check that out if you are wanting some Slimming World ideas. Also, I do need to ask, please make sure you have subscribed to this channel, and if you are subscribed, just make sure your bell icon's clicked, because we've had some messages from people saying that they've either been unsubscribed or their bell icon has been turned off and they've not been getting notifications, and we're uploading quite a bit at the moment. So yeah, do make sure you check those if you are subscribed. If you're not, please hit that subscribe button now, and also give us a thumbs up, because you know that helps us out with YouTube's mysterious algorithm. I think we've got a recipe coming up this week, and there will be a Willet soup this week, and all sorts of other videos. So if you like the sound of all of that, do please make sure you check out our content here on the YouTubes. If you're slimming, whether that's Weight Watchers or Slimming World or calorie counting or intermittent fasting, whatever it is you're doing, if you're doing some sort of weight loss journey, do please put your details down in the comment section, how you've got on this week. Have you gained, maintained, lost? Do please let us know, because that always helps us stay on plan, being part of this wider sort of weight loss journey community. And then what were you saying?
If you've got any good recipes and stuff that we can try out, because kind of like us, like last week we did we had a lot of this burrito mix all week with turkey mince and other things, but like I say, we don't want to kind of have the same thing over and over again all the time. If it works, kind of like, you know, then obviously we still enjoy it, we still eat it, but I don't think it's the thing that we could probably do every week.
No.
The same thing every week, constantly, over and over. So like I say, if you've got any good recipes or ideas for things we could try out, you know, put that down below as well. I said, and we'll maybe put that on the channel.
Yeah, absolutely.
And show you what that turns out like.
Absolutely. Also, if you've got a favourite Slimming World cookbook, put that down in the comment section as well, because we're always on the lookout to try new Slimming World recipes and things, aren't we? And we do have a lot of the cookbooks, but again, because we've had them for a long time, it's just that thing of changing up what we're eating. So if you've got any wonderful ideas or weird and wonderful, do please let us know down in the comment section. But that is it from us, and as we always say, stay you, stay safe, stay authentic, and we will see you next time. Happy slimming. Right, editing me cut all of that. But that is it from us today, and as we always say, stay you, stay safe, stay authentic, and happy slimming. And we'll see, no, bollocks. But that is it from us today, and as we always... And as we always say, stay you, stay strong. No, because that's the sign off for Beyond Authentic. So it's what we do now. And happy slimming. So what we'll do is go, stay you, stay safe, stay authentic. We'll see you next time. Happy slimming. But it is... So if you want to see the food that we bought, so that we got, so I will put those links. Let me do that again. So if you want to see the shopping, how have you got on? Do please let us know down in the, I'll do the thing, put the thingy in the thingy, and you tell us the recipes then. How have you got on this week? Do please let us know how you've... Do please put your details down in the description. No, fuck's sake.